A unicorn. Wow. Yeah, and Julie. Turn around to show Mom.
Peyton, show Mommy. Tell Aunt Julie thank you.
What else is there?
What else is there, Peyton?
No, grab what's in there. What's
Right
that?
here. What's this?
I'll hold the unicorn. Here. What's that? Open that up. Pull that dress out. Oh, wow! What is that?
Tell Mama.
It's
Show Mommy.
clothes. You put it on. Come here.